Unfortunately, this product is not perfect, although it has great ingredients such as fruit extracts in it, and it is sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. It does have one ingredient at the very bottom of the list that causes for concern. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and you're interested in hair care tips, tricks, and product reviews, you are in the right place. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that I release. You can probably already guess what this video is going to be about because I decided to become a temporary redhead. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I got this look, and I'm going to review the CurlSmith hair makeup. I am so excited about this review because it took me weeks to finally get this product delivered. I ordered it weeks and weeks ago and it finally came a few days ago. So I'm so excited to finally use the product and show you what I thought about it. We are going to go into the ingredients, how it felt in my hair, how it transferred on shirts, etc. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll meet you in the bathroom. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I read the directions for the hair makeup and they include tips, which was really nice. So they recommend that you apply this on damp hair, but first they want you to apply a leave-in conditioner to make sure that your hair remains moisturized as you have this product in. So that is exactly what I am going to do. You can see that I am sectioning my hair now. I just washed my hair and I towel dried it a little bit so that it's not dripping wet because I don't want the hair makeup to drip all over my body. And I do also have my little t-shirt on to make sure that I'm not getting product on my shirt, which they also recommended. Now I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner and I am going to use the CurlSmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream product. And I decided to use this because it is a little heavier and I wanted to use a heavier leave-in because I am only going to use a leave-in and then the hair makeup. So I just wanted to make sure my hair is very conditioned and that I am very moisturized underneath the hair makeup. I'm quickly going to go through me applying the leave-in conditioner because this is about the hair makeup, but if you do want to see a review on the oil and cream product, please let me know in the comments and I will put that together for you all. Now is the time that we have all been waiting for. I'm going to apply the hair makeup to my hair. I chose the ruby color because I have never had red in my hair, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like on me and how well this shows up in my hair. So I have no idea how much product to actually use, so I'm going to start off with a small amount and see how that goes. When I was applying the product, I was going for more of a dip dye look, so I didn't want to apply the product all the way up to the roots of my hair. I decided to do halfway down, all the way down to my ends, which next time I think I would do even lower. So I would start lower down on my hair and then go down to the ends to get more of a dip dye look. But I really do like how this turned out. I just want to try something different next time. And you can see here that I am applying the product to just a few curls at a time because one, I just wanted to see how it would show up, but also I just wanted to see if that was a better application process, which it was not. So I am going to actually later use the praying hands method to apply the product and you'll be able to see how it just shows up better. It's much quicker and I just think it's a much better process to use when applying the hair makeup. Now, a product review is never complete without talking about the smell, and I am excited to tell you guys that this product does smell good. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the hair paint wax and have noticed how it smells like cologne, and I hate how those smell, but this does not smell like that at all. It actually smells like more of a sweet perfume, but it's not overpowering, so it definitely passes the smell test. Okay, so now I'm going to change the method of how I am applying the product, and you can see how much easier and better the praying hands method is. I think the product shows up very well in my hair. I do only go over my hair a couple times with the hair paint, and I don't feel like I used a lot of the product throughout my entire head. So I was really pleased with how well it actually does show up and how bright and moisturized my hair looked after applying the product. And then you can see here, after using the praying hands method, I do scrunch my hair up to make sure that I'm getting even more definition once my hair starts to dry. And since the front of my hair is a lot straighter than the back of my hair, I am going to finger coil a couple pieces in the front to make sure that those are just as defined as the back. Now I'm just going to follow the same process through the rest of the sections of my hair. So I'm pretty much done now, and you can see that it does show up very well. You can see it very well while it is still wet. It is still moisturized. It feels really good in my hair. It is easy to do, so I'm definitely loving this product so far. And now I'm just going to wait for my hair to dry, and it actually did take my hair probably about 3 hours to be completely dry. I'm going to jump back on the camera right now, and you can see it when it is almost dry. The back was actually a little damp, but I am going to go ahead and scrunch my hair out now. Here you can see how well the product still is showing up even after my hair is almost completely dry. I'm still really loving it. It still feels really moisturized. It has a lot of definition, and I actually think my hair looks pretty full once I do scrunch it out. So I definitely like how my hair turned out. I do want to note about the transfer of the product. When my hair was completely dry, it did not transfer anywhere at all, but when my hair was drying, I did take that t-shirt off of my shoulders and I got red stuff all over my body, but it did wipe off very easily. And since I did scrunch my hair when my hair was not completely dry, I did get a little transfer on my hands. And very quickly, this is my hair on day 2. I did wear a scarf at night and there was no transfer on the scarf. The product is still very bright and strong in my hair. My hair is still moisturized and defined, and I think that I have even more volume on day 2. Unfortunately, this product is not perfect, although it has great ingredients such as fruit extracts in it, and it is sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. It does have one ingredient at the very bottom of the list that causes for concern. So I looked into it and it ranks pretty high on Living Healthy website, but I dug even deeper into some articles and it does say that it could cause nerve damage as well as some irritation to the skin. So if it is left on the skin, that is when there is cause for concern. So I'm very happy that I did not apply this to my scalp and I washed it off of my body as soon as I realized that it was on my body. So definitely something to think about. With that said, if I use this product again, just because of that one ingredient, I would be very careful to make sure it does not get on my skin. So I would use gloves, make sure it's not dripping on my body, and I would not put it very close to my scalp. So very unfortunate, but I do really love the results and think that it is very glossy, shiny, and pretty in my hair. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, I'll see you next time.